Good afternoon, boys and girls. I'm Mr. B, and I'm back to read you another fantastic story, The Color Monster, a story about emotions. This is The Color Monster. Today he woke up feeling confused, and he doesn't know why. Are you all mixed up again, Mr. Color Monster? Your emotions don't work well when they're all jumbled up. You should try to separate them and put each one in its own jar. If you like, I can help you. Let's try to make sense of how you feel. Hmm. This is happiness. It shines yellow like the sun and twinkles like the stars. When you're happy, you laugh and jump and dance and play. You want to share your happiness with everyone. This is sadness. It is lonely and blue like a rainy day. It washes over you like the sea. When you're sad, you hide and want to be alone. You don't want to do anything except maybe cry. It's okay to cry, Color Monster. This is anger. It burns red like a fire and is hard to stamp out. When you're angry, life can feel unfair. Sometimes you want to take out your anger on others, but I'll be nice to you, Color Monster, and your anger will disappear. This is fear. It hides and runs away like a mouse in the night. I'm so scared. When you're afraid, you feel tiny. You think you don't have the courage to face the gray shadows, but I can help you find your way. This is calm. It is quiet like the trees and as light as green leaves swaying in the wind. Take a calm breath. When you're calm, you breathe slowly and deeply. You feel at peace. Now you can rest, Color Monster. All your feelings are in the right place. See, don't you feel better? There's blue, sadness feelings in that jar, anger feelings in this red jar, fear feelings in the brown jar, and yellow feelings, which are happy, in the yellow jar. Uh oh, I see you're feeling something new. You look different, Color Monster. Tell me, how do you feel now? How is he feeling? He is feeling love. The end. Thank you, boys and girls. Now you know where to put your feelings.
Hi again. Thank you, Mr. B, for that great rendition of our story, The Color Monster, a story about emotions by Anna Llenas. Emotions can be very tricky business. It's hard for grown-ups sometimes to think about their own feelings, let alone for little people to understand how they feel. One of the important things we can do for our children is to help them understand and sort out all the feelings that they have, their big feelings and their little feelings. We can help them by giving names to their feelings and sorting them out like they did in this story. I have a little activity that's very simple that you could have your child do as a follow-up to this Color Monster story, or really just any time as an activity. It's called Sorting Your Feelings. And what you need for this activity is an empty egg carton, some colored paper. I have colors to match the feelings that were in the book. And I'm going to use a clear plastic bag, but you also, if you had a jar, you could use an empty jar that was clear so you could see the colors when they're inside. And all we're going to do is you can have your child tear up the paper in little pieces, which is also a nice thing to do when you're feeling mad, is tearing paper. That's a safe way to get your mad out. But you could have them do that. It doesn't have to be really small, but they can tear some pieces of all the different colors until you have a nice little pile of those. Then you're going to put them into your bag or your jar and seal it up. I'm going to shake them all up so that all the colors are mixed up, like the Color Monster's emotions were all mixed up. And then on your egg carton, I took a little piece of each color and put it on top of a space inside the egg carton. And what your child can do is reach into the bag and pull out papers one at a time, and they can decide where it goes. I've picked the pink paper. In our story, pink was the color for love. So we will put that in the pink box, just like that. So whatever color they pick out, they have to find the color and match it. My next one is yellow, so I'm going to look at my egg carton and I'm going to put it right in there in the yellow box. They can continue doing that until they've used up all the papers. The more papers they have, the longer this will take. So keep them busy for longer. And not only is this a great way to talk about feelings and emotions, it's also a math skill. Sorting of any kind is a very important skill for math, especially when you're first in the early grades. And knowing your colors and being able to match them helps them to be able to do their arithmetic later on. Believe it or not, sorting colors is a math skill. So you will be helping them in lots of ways. You're helping them sort out their feelings so they know whether they're happy or sad or scared or angry or whatever. You can call these colors whatever you want. And you'll also be teaching them an important skill to get them ready for math. So I hope you enjoyed that little activity, and I hope you loved our story, The Color Monster. Bye-bye.